Hey everybody, Jeff Sutherland here, eXp Realty. I am going to give you a comprehensive real estate market update for the month of April in hopefully a very short, quick time frame here. So let's share my screen with you so you can see what's going on. I'm going to head over to my PowerPoint slide deck and you can see what's going on. First of all, this is where we're at in the market cycle right now. We're coming out of a downturn, a difficult time in terms of prices going up, inflation going up, rates going up. We're starting to see some hope, and we're excited to start seeing that even more in the summer. But transaction counts are going up, and it's getting healthier by the day. Supply is coming back a little bit. Right now, we have a little bit lower supply and a little bit lower demand. So here's where we're at in the market cycle as of today. Let's keep going here. And as we continue, I will show you in the month of February, our monthly median sales price came in at 445 and it has continued to go up. What's crazy about this, my friends, is you'll notice that the actual median sales price is nearing the peak of May of 2022. Remember that? Everybody had FOMO, the prices went out the roof, and then we had a very sharp downturn between May and like February of the next year. It went up a little bit for a few months there towards August of 23. And then essentially since August of 23, the market's been pretty flat. It's been a little up and down, a little bumpy, but nothing really, not any big shifts going on in the market. So we've had a flat market for several months on median sales price. So this is for Pinal County and Maricopa County, the entire Phoenix MSA area. Now let's look at the rates. Hovering a little bit less than 7, going up and down a little bit, but we're probably going to be seeing a lot of the same until the summer. We're getting indications that the Federal Reserve may cut the lending rate, the federal funds rate in the summer. If that does happen, chances are mortgage rates will follow, and we will probably start seeing some reductions in rates. Which brings me to my next point. The next point is if we do see reductions in rates, especially in the summer, typically in Arizona, the summer months are slower. We have most of our sales that occur between January and May, and then the summer slows down. Then we have a little pickup in September and October, and then we have November and December that slows down again. So the peak selling season is right now. But if the rates start to go down in the summer, you will see an absolute frenzy. It depends on how quickly they go down because there's so many buyers. We have about 5 buyers for every house that's available out there still. People that want to make a move, but they need more affordability. And so if we do see that going on, we will see a lot of buyers enter the market. Just like we did in December of last year, there was a little decrease in rates. Buyers enter the market. So get ready for that to happen. And if the rates go down, very good chance the prices will go up. You're probably thinking, that's crazy, Jeff. How could that happen? Well, when rates go down, typically prices go up, and they might go up aggressively if that happens. So right now, it's purely a supply and demand issue. Rental rates, if you're interested in rental rates, those are sitting around $2,100 a month. That's based on February data that came in, and that is based on a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit across Maricopa County and Pinal County. Very interesting data. So that's what the rentals are getting across the valley. This is a report that I use, the excellent analysts over at Cronfer report, and there's 3 big metrics they look at. They look at supply, which is a little bit lower than normal. Normal is where it says 100, so we're way below. We're at 68.6% of the normal supply. That is the challenge with our market. And we're continuing to try to build more new homes. That's a hot market segment right now. You can get what's called 2-1 buy downs. You can get introductory interest rates that the builders are offering for incentives. So talk to me if you're interested in getting into a home for less of a rate. And then, of course, you could always refinance later. Market index is their secret sauce, their formula that basically tells you is it more of a seller market, more of a buyer's market. Right now, we're actually in a slight seller's market across the whole valley. However, there are municipalities that are buyer's markets. There's some that are in balance, and there's some that are in a seller's market. And finally, we have the demand index, which is less than normal as well. So we have lower supply, we have lower demand, but overall, we have a slight seller's market because of the supply being down. and there's pressure on that supply, and that's the ongoing challenge. You can see the green demand index is right here at the very end, so demand is slightly rising, and supply, you can see the blue area, that's quite a bit lower than normal. So we need more homes. That's going to be the challenge moving forward. You can see the sellers markets in the valley. You can see the balanced markets. You can see the buyers markets. And a lot of people are surprised to see that, you know, Chandler, Gilbert, Glendale, these are still pretty hot, even though Gilbert changed about 3% from the last month. It's still a seller's market. I work a lot in the Southeast Valley, especially in Chandler, Gilbert, Mesa, Queen Creek, and those are all really hot, balanced. Queen Creek is becoming more of a balanced market. But this gives you a good idea of the different things that are going on across the valley. And you can see the top seller markets across the valley. Tolleson, killing it right now. That's a very hot area. El Mirage, and then there's the Apache Junction. You know, everybody has been saying for years, when's Apache Junction going to really start to take off? It's starting to take off right now. Pretty good data. So the last thing I wanted to share with you is a business partner of mine. His name's Jim Serena. We're good friends. We started something called the Monopoly Project, and you can go see that at themonopolyproject.com. We have charted our progress in buying and investing in residential real estate, buy and hold properties, and have shown how they've performed against other vehicles of investment in our economy. I think you'd be fascinated. Jim's an excellent writer. You'd love his articles. Check it out, themonopolyproject.com, and you too can do the same thing that we've done, and we'd love to show you how. So give me a call, 602-370-7174. There's been a lot going on in real estate. There was a huge settlement with the National Association of Realtors. I can tell you all about that, how real estate's changing a little bit for real estate agents, but for the most part, it's the same. We offer value and we help buyers and sellers find properties and sell properties at top dollar, and everything's negotiable, just like it always has been. The paperwork's a little different now, and the rules are a little different. So I will educate you when you call me. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Blessings to you and your family. If you need me, give me a call. Take care.